Today we will show you how to color the white zirconia at our chemical and physical office. Okay, let's go. This is our physical and chemical office used in the dental restoration. And this is the bleach blue. What we used is the chrome bright unit. Note that during the whole process, don't contact with metal at all or any chemical reagents. See, the incisor part of the teeth should be down in the circuitry. Sometimes so we will have some pre-centered case for your reference. Is dedicated in providing a variety of dental solutions and technical support for the labs and clinic. If you have any question, you can send me a message by Facebook or send me email via info@bloomden.com. Thank you for your visit. Okay. Bye bye.